say. This is something that's really incredible about the PlayStation. It's just leagues ahead of the opposition. 16.8 million on-screen simultaneous colours. Oh my god.
Open it.
Let me just open this box up right now.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so we have two DualShock controllers. We've got directional rumble in the controller. Some manuals. You plug this into the satellite port on your TV. Now, if that's not next gen, I don't know what is. The actual console itself we have right here. Look at this. Oh, sleek and modern. Very simple design. One button for eject, button for start and reset. There's not a whole lot to say about this really. It's quite a simple little design. Can you believe that? That's 20 years old.
Is this year younger than you?
Yeah. Challenge. It's weird not having any thingies on there. 1997. I'm sorry. How do you have a console that's 22 years old, yeah, and it looks nicer than my new PS4? Like condition. Oh my god. Whoa! Oh. It's a bit silly. No, it's just a demo. The animations are well good, aren't they?
What was your PS1 experience?
Takes a while to load.